Okay. Alright guys, welcome back. And this is what we have. We have a casing in there. A metal casing. Looks like about a 6-inch casing. And a leaf just flew in there. And we had a wooden plunger type thing with a rubber ring around it to and a couple of clamps on top of the pipe to prevent the pipe from going back down, sinking back down. Here's what we got. I'm going to show you how much pipe we have, and it's about 35 feet. We got it. I have about 35 feet of pipe. From right there to there. Roughly 35 feet. Yeah.
Got some more filming to do in there.
Yeah, I know. I'm bringing it in.
Did you film that? What
Yep.
we took out?
Yeah. Just did.
Is it going?
Yeah. It's going.
Look at here. I took that off. Look at the crap in there.
Yeah. That's why we're getting new pipe.
And I can't get the point off. It will not come off.
Okay, well, we're going to need a new point.
It's been brazed on.
Okay.
So,
What, they welded it, didn't they?
yeah. Well, I'll show you the check valve.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and check this out.
Do you need a light on?
Yeah, won't it help? Won't it hurt? I mean, won't it hurt? Not.
There's your check valve.
Okay. This is the check valve that we took off the pipe.
I can't get it off.
Okay, we can't get it off. We're just gonna have to get a whole new one.
And this, I tried to get this off here.
Yeah.
You can see where it's screwed on.
Yeah.
But,
Oh, they have it screwed on? Oh, yeah. I thought you meant with a screw. They just.
But you see, it looks like they welded it or something.
Yeah, we think they welded it, so I don't know if they actually did, but.
I'd like to save that coin. There's nothing wrong with the coin.
Did you take that screw off the end of it?
No, I haven't done that yet.
Let's try that. I mean, I don't think it'll help take it off. I think that's just to clean out the inside of it.
Oh, look at the inside. Oh, jeez. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah.
We'll have to get a new coin.
Let me see. I'm gonna like stay there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the inside of that too well, but I don't know. It looks alright.
It looks alright, but it's...
It looks okay. We could probably use it again, but we're not gonna try to take it off.
There it is.
Oh, that did come off. Okay.
There it is.
And now we get a really
there's your check
good
valve.
close-up.
There's your check valve.
Okay, that's the check valve, right?
Yeah, I think we need a new one.
This little thing.
Yeah, that's your check valve.
When that screws in that screw pushes up on it. When the pump goes on,
Yeah,
it does something and pulls it down.
See here? That's loose, see?
Yeah.
There's a spring there. See,
Right.
the spring's broke.
Is it broke? Or?
Yep, spring's broke.
Okay,
so
well, the spring is broken inside the check valve.
So we have to get a new one.
So we have to get a new check valve filter thing on the bottom, or, you know.
And this all will have to be new.
Yeah. I guess we get.
I don't know if you can get them. Yeah, I guess you can still get them.
Let's say you could probably get those. Thing is, what I'm thinking is get a new well pump for the bottom, or we could put it on the top. If we get one for the bottom, it'll have its own valve and everything stuck in there, and I don't think we're going to have to prime it
No, you won't have to.
Because it's sucking from the bottom. Now, if we get one from the top, we're going to have to put water in it until, you know, we're going to have to prime that one. But maybe they have self-priming ones. But if we do it like that, if we get one from the top, like a bilge pump or something to that effect, I mean, they all work pretty much the same.
Okay.
You're going to have to put a valve on the bottom, a check valve, so the water don't go back into it. And we're going to have a filter to filter out all that crap that's in the bottom of the water.
Are you still on? When we measured, we only measured to here.
Yeah.
The well itself could be another 6, 8, 10, 12 feet deeper.
All right.
So we're going to have to remeasure the well again. And we'll measure it. Hey, we could do that today.
Yeah,
See
we
what we
could.
got.
You want to tie another rock to it? I think if we get 35 feet of pipe plus the valve and the filter, you know, we probably end up, we could put another 6 inches onto the pipe.
I saved it.
Because that would be 35 feet to probably this area right here. Well, we did, we measured, we dropped a rock down in there. Well, not a rock, but a weight tied on, you know, a couple of washers tied onto a twine.
I saved it. I've got it here somewhere.
Okay.
I just got to find it.
Yeah, we tied a rock onto a twine, piece of twine, and we dropped it in there.
Here it is.
And it probably landed at the end.
Here it is.
Right here. It probably couldn't go any further. So we're going to have to add another foot to that. Maybe not on the pipe, but whatever, you know, because I don't want to go much past this point anyway. Well, that would be like 35 feet from the top to
down to here.
Down to
35
35 feet.
Yeah.
Which from here to there looks like about a foot.
Let's see. We got the tape here. See what we got. Well, you can't measure from there. You have to measure from here.
Well, that's where the thing stops. So go ahead and measure it. That's where our weight stopped, right here.
16 inches.
16 inches, okay.
Foot and a half.
What, 34 feet plus 16 inches?
16 inches.
34.
18 is that. 34 is 35 feet. Say 35.
35 feet plus a few inches. Okay. 35 feet plus 2 inches. 35.112 or something. I don't know.
If we got to measure now, remember this is where it stopped at.
Yeah.
So we got to add on to this now.
We got to add another foot. So 35
more than that.
feet.
We're going to add more than that.
We got to have 35 feet. The whole thing has to be 35 feet long.
The whole thing has to be 40 because I think the well is almost 40 feet deep.
Nah, you're going.
Oh yes. Oh yes. We're going to add
Well, if we get another pump if we get a pump that is on the bottom, and that pump, you saw that pump was 3 feet anyway, so we're going to have to take 2 feet off of that for the pipe, and then.
Okay, let's go out and measure.
You really don't know. I mean, even using the twist.
I'm not using any of that. It's all crap.
I mean, that's nothing. We're not using that.
No.
But I don't know how that. I mean, they had the PVC pipe in the middle. They had it glued together. I don't know how that glue held.
Oh yeah, it'll hold for water.
Not without. Yeah, but you got 60 pounds of pump on the bottom of it.
It'll hold.
It'll hold 60 pounds for 30 years.
Yeah.
40 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go measure the depths of the.
Guys, what we're going to do now, we're going to take that little nail, and we're going to drop it into that hole. However, due to the wall around the well, you're not going to be able to see it that much. Here, let me get it.
Stand over here, so you're right over the center. Don't go so fast with it, because you go too fast, it'll sink in the mud. Now Now it's coming down. And don't let it go any lower, and I'll add on to it.
It's still going down.
Okay, let me add on to it.
That's
where it was before.
That's through this thing too. Just that to the middle. That's the middle. That's good.
Because I think, the well has to be deeper than the 34. Okay.
Yeah.
And you
There
can
you go.
pick.
There you go.
That's it? That it?
Mm-hmm.
Right there where your hand is.
Okay, right here where my hand is.
Okay, tie a knot in it. Tie a knot right up there where your hand is.
Put me on the spot. I know. I'll hold it. Pull it off.
Whoa, wait, you're pulling it all out of here.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Well, I'm stopping. So just pull it up. Keep pulling it out.
No.
Hold on to that.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's right here with my finger.
There. Now, go ahead and pull on the way out.
I want to move your hand.
Whoop. Keep going. Okay.
Even with the other side.
Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah. How much? Well, it's about a 36.
And you got to figure.
37-foot well. No. Oh, this is up above.
But you know what? This is standing this high.
Oh, here it is. This is where it was. You come from here. Measure from here. That was the bottom. That was the top of the well. Okay, I'll hold it. Now you go down. Now you go down. Huh? Where does it come out down there? That's why it's so much dirt in it. We need to raise it up another foot so it isn't in that dirt.
Yep. And then there's probably going to be times where we're not going to.
Yeah, push that all back in there.
There's going to be times when we're not even going to have probably enough water to water.
Well, you will if you don't take it all out at once.
Well, how do you do that?
You just run it so often, and then water will seep back in again in the well. So leave that much out. Don't stick it all in there. Leave it out so we know where it's at. That's why that thing never filled up with water. Water would come up in there and it'd seep back down in the well. Okay, we know what it is then. Is that still running? Okay, make your thing then. And I'll roll this back up on the thing.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you. Wave bye-bye, Arvel. And we'll see you next time. Until then, love it, share it, and we'll see you next time. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to another day in the life at JAlly Farms. We're doing something with our well today, and what we're gonna do, got some pipes in there, and we're gonna take them out, cut them up, see what's on the bottom of the pipe.